In Ireland, there are more than 1.5 million smart electricity meters installed, yet only a small number of us use them to help us to choose the best, i.e. the cheapest electricity tariffs for us. Smart meters can lead to either an increase or a reduction in your electricity bills, and people have to make a blind choice of what would probably be the wrong supplier and the wrong electricity tariff from almost 60 tariffs available from more than a dozen energy suppliers. In this video, we show you how our system can help you find the cheapest tariff for you. We start by going to the ESB Network's website and downloading your own smart meter data as what's called a HDF file. Now for this you'll need your MPRN number and a Gmail address, but don't worry, we give you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. You then upload this HDF file to our website and indicate whether you are urban or rural. Your data is then used to match you against households with similar consumption patterns to yours and to allow fine-tuning of our estimate of your future bill. This is what the screens look like. Here's the plain language statement and participation agreement. You then upload your HDF file, downloaded from ESB Networks, and input an email address. We then match your household with similar households in terms of their energy usage versus yours, and we use data patterns from those other households to adjust our predictions of your future energy consumption. For example, maybe you had gaps in your energy consumption while you were away, or maybe you don't have a full 12 months of smart meter data. Our AI algorithms adjust your smart meter data for things like that based on those households who have similar consumption patterns to yours. We process your smart meter data to estimate what your annual bill would be from almost 60 tariffs, including 24-hour fixed rates, night and day rates, and smart rates. And then we email this to you as a spreadsheet so you can see it for yourself. Here's what one of the results looks like for one of the users who just happens to be me. Now I have solar panels and I charge an EV at night, so the best tariff for me may be the one which is cheapest at night and gives a good fit rate, or maybe it isn't. Let's see. When you open the spreadsheet, it looks like a complete sea of numbers. So what we'll do is we'll add some color formatting and highlight it on the leftmost column. We'll see the names of the different tariffs, and then the rates for day, night, peak and EV times. The estimate for the electricity bill for the year for each of the tariffs, which is probably the most interesting, and a column indicating on the rightmost a green for a smart tariff, blue for a day or night tariff, and brown for a 24-hour fixed rate tariff. Let's sort the rows by the types of tariff. And if we just look at the fixed rate 24-hour tariffs, we'll see they vary from 901 to 1741 euro for the year, which is quite a gap. If we look at the day and the night rates, the cheapest of those day and night rates is 619 euro, and the most expensive would be 1493 euro for the year. Finally, if we look at the smart tariffs, we'll see they range from 567 euro to 1261 euro for the year. So in summary, my cheapest bill would be for a smart tariff, which would cost me 569 euro for the year, and I'm definitely not going to choose that 24-hour fixed rate, which would have cost me more than 3 times as much, 1741 euro for the year. But remember, this is just me and it's my usage, and you and your usage will be very different to mine. And you can discover this only by downloading and analysing your own smart meter usage data. How do you do this? Go to this link and follow the instructions. Thanks for listening.